Welcome back to another video. We're going to test out this Canon R5 Mark II today. We have two lenses that we'll use, primarily the 50mm 1.2. This is the L series lens with the EF mount, and this has been adapted using the EF to RF adapter. We're also going to be using the 70-200. But the point of this video is less about the gear, less about the camera, and more about a reminder for us as working professionals just to get out and have fun every now and then. I think for me, when I first started, obviously I just took a ton of photos for fun, and I actually used all of those photo shoots to practice to get really proficient with the gear. But as you do more and more work and you become more and more proficient, you tend to not do that as a professional or a working professional. I've never shot sports before, which is fast moving action. I've done a lot of event work, I've shot a lot of weddings, a lot of portrait work. And so it'll just be nice to go and test the high-speed burst of this, the autofocus. So let's get into it. Come along and we will test out the Canon R5 Mark II. Yo, what's up everyone? We are at the track here in Nelson. Actually got a really great evening for it. It's a winter evening.
So good.
This is my brother, Nat. Nat's a bit of a runner, working up for the 800 meters.
Yep.
Doing some training, so this is just a real casual training session, but this is a great opportunity for me to test out this Canon R5 Mark II. Essentially, I'll let Nat just walk around, get changed. I might put him in some good light as he's getting ready. Then he'll go through his training session, and yeah, if there's some really good light as the sun gets a little bit lower, we'll see what we can come up with creatively. But yeah, just a good test. Enjoy. Cool, so Nat's just warming up. The light is so good at the moment. We've probably got, I'd say 45 minutes before sunset, and really just trying to feel it out. So we're switching to 70-200. Right, so Nat's warming up. He's doing some 150 meter repeats, and I'm just getting on this side of him. So as you can see, the light's just always so much better backlit, in my opinion. So just trying to frame up a shot to look back as he comes round into the light. We'll see how we go. Shooting manual now. We're at 100th of a second. Let's see how this looks. Right, I made a fatal error because this was a very casual shoot. I didn't check the batteries, and I've got two that are both flat. Probably got 5 minutes max on these batteries to get the shot I need, and it's going to be a 1/50th of a second shot on the 70-200, just panning with Nat with the sun in the background as he is running his change to his spikes now. Here we go. That's the idea. I just need to frame it a lot better. I just want him in one of the top corners, just with all this grass in the foreground. That'll look really great. Try to get the horizon straight as well. Here we go. just changing the composition a bit. That's great, looking good. It's actually so hard to get some good panning shots. Nat's done his work. I'm not sure if I've nailed my side of the bargain, but it's good. Good to be out. Temperature's dropped off heaps now.
Oh man, first track workout of the year leading into the season, and it's not fun. It's not fun.
But yeah, we ran out of light pretty quick here. And I've also run out of batteries pretty quick because I didn't check them. So a good reminder for next time. All in all, I think it's big user error or just a user trying to get used to this new camera. I think there's a lot of features with the autofocus, and I'm really used to using single point autofocus from my wedding days and sort of portrait days where you manually move a single point round. But just trusting the autofocus and using the settings to lock onto Nat as he's running is just a different experience. So it's been good. Definitely keen to take it out again. And yeah, getting used to the EVF as well is a whole new experience from an SLR. So here are some photos anyway, maybe one or two of the evening, just as a reference for what we caught today. Now this video was less about the photos that were produced and more about just getting out there and having fun again. It was really nice just to go and test a camera without the pressure of a production. And so it's always nice, even as working professionals, just to set up a shoot, a test shoot, to have fun and experiment with the tools that we have in new ways, just so that we're way more comfortable. And just like Nat, as he's training for his running event, this is almost like a training session for us when we go out and just use the tools and practice certain shots. A couple of things right off the bat that I didn't love about this R5 Mark II. When you flip the screen out, the screen doesn't, if you can see that, it doesn't completely articulate at a 180-degree angle. And that angle, when you're looking down at the camera, it's just so annoying that the screen doesn't completely open up. That's one thing that really threw me off. The autofocus, I think it was more user error than the actual technology in the camera. There were a lot of missed shots. And so for me, it's just getting used to all of the different autofocus settings. But you can see in the video, I was using high-speed burst mode for a lot of it, so capturing a lot of frames per second, especially for those panning shots. And that just allows you to really pick out the best frame. But it was a lot of fun getting used to this. We're gonna do a lot more videos like this, just getting out, making content, just having fun, not with the pressure of nailing any particular brief for a commercial job. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment in the comment box below, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys, bye.